who can work.
Don't do that. Vendetta boss.
Alkaline cannot war with Masicka.
No, it will not war with Masicka. It's a difference.
Alkaline cannot war with Masicka.
Nah, man, I'm mad to say that about, man. Don't do that.
You did who? All of them are call up me name forget the eye. Me not give them no eye. They're going dead for hungry.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Don't know Media Fox now. Yeah, man. You know what things said. So look at now people. A bag of thing attack in that video, I say, yo, I have to pull it up and make the people them know what I go on. You see it? Yeah, man. Fresh video, I think this morning it dropped. You see me? So, look at what I go on.
We see the king and get crowned. You get me? I say, we see Clash. Melissa come and give that with piece of the scene. You get me? I say, but right now we're there with the man. Walk on top. The people say, the legend.
Yeah,
walk on top. Father, where's the go on now?
Never die.
2025. The most standout moment for you. The Clash. The dancehall. But which one are you clashing? Because we have several clash last year.
You know what you are that?
We have current law with Malidan.
Malidan and them clash last year. Weak hard and I don't really clash that. The biggest clash we see from Cartel and Movard and real things attack and some bag of thing attack. A family. Masicka.
What's stand out most to you in that clash?
They don't stand out there. They just clash. How does come on off the stage?
Who take the clash for you, though?
Family.
Why family?
Because today family have a song where real to the clash. Masicka just some song where all week too. Me we really respect Masicka as a lyricist. Me I say, Masicka sing this. Me start withdraw some points and you know so I was time like it.
Bro, I don't think you really know lyricists like that, you know, bro. You see me? Because it disappoints you for hear Masicka because you think that. You see me, I just the hype there on Masicka thing, bro. So you know I'm always sing gun song and them little thing there. But if you really listen closely, you realize all the man do are just rhyme, dog. You see me? Yeah.
Like you was running pop, pop, pop. I mean I said, what the lyrics them they could have got this so.
Yeah, that's spaces. Family win for you, though.
Family win for me.
What do you tell us about Masicka fire shot at Vibes Cartel, though?
No people say Masicka flat the cars in this cartel and no. That make him more be a man and more stand out more.
The fans them kind of bash Masicka from the other day. Sing some do that though.
And that mean I like with the music, because the music sometimes is like a cow down business.
After you go to fire shot off for the Gaza boss, what do you think I'm going to take away?
But me ask you something, right? Me if you war against somebody right now, me could war with somebody who put it up on my head, but what who big. Masicka say boom. You know say me want to war with Vibes Cartel. All the way, Sean Stammer do, all the way him do. Yes, him can work Tamil Cartel to him level. But to go to a higher level, Cartel even say, but Masicka idiot, and it'll make him more bigger. Come on, you to try, but if you don't do what you do. Cause guess what now? He could go war with Tanta Blacks. He could go war with who else? With the hell with? He could go war with for instance, he could go war with even that is Valiant.
Valiant don't for Masicka level?
No.
You sure about that?
No. When TJ war against Valley.
TJ no big and Valiant them.
But the lyrics, he was weak to the lyrics. Somebody please. One and match up the whole rhythm. You must teach it an engineer and teach it an artist.
So as the Valiant and lyrical enough?
Valiant and lyrical enough if you war against Masicka. Cartel come out, Cartel is bounty killer. Cartel is Shabba ranking. Cartel is one of the big people. When they do young like Masicka. At the time I come up. So
there's nothing wrong with it.
Nothing wrong with that.
The dancehall.
The dancehall.
You sure about that?
Never. Never. Well, if you the girl them and sing nice song them, I was like him. And chopper song them. And the who do say Alkaline?
That rich Callout on Masicka. It's a girl, this is a girl artist. And
yeah, Masicka, why you to chop up rhythm long time? Masicka DJ 18 bars for one rhythm, Masicka rhythm done.
Yo, that have a laugh, boy. Be here, them mother talking. They want to say 18 bars to write it. So 18 bars in I clash there. Eh? 18 bars a regular gunman song. Cause the first two track when dropping at the war, bro, the song 1 or 5 minutes and 1 or 6 minutes. Brother, no, it's just a regular gun song the man do, bro. You see me, but we understand. Look at hyping up thing.
Nobody can clash. Masicka.
Don't do that. Vendetta boss.
Alkaline cannot war with Masicka.
No, it will not war with Masicka. It's a difference.
Alkaline cannot war with Masicka.
Nah, man, I'm going to say that about man. Don't do that.
Masicka run the place, bro.
Which place Masicka run?
Yo, I don't know. I must see in a fee. Walk and talk yard Masicka run. Bro, I be hype on the run with you, no, brother. That's all I know do, you know. I be hype on the running, dog. That's all I can tell you. You see it every day you get up. I hype up a Masicka thing, bro. But when him go out there in the world, brother, a different reaction. You understand? I just look at your thing, the bag of hyping up and you see it, brother. You don't know say Masicka can accept the Alkaline in a clash, dog. It's like you don't see where Alkaline do. You man who are whole 6 camp and out them out, brother. You don't realize. Eh? Man make popcorn if you run to all Teflon if you ask him. I beg him, what if you do? Eh? like we don't know what I want, bro. Masicka in the head, brother. Masicka no want to do. Masicka no want a war, bro. I no want a war, fam. If we just do what I do, yeah, we can war Tamale. You see me, but if him can't manage Tamale, Alkaline him go manage. If war, sick in the head, bro. Just be hype up Masicka, brother. You see I run Masicka run for Tamale. You see me, one man to run for a man we are seeing Dora the Explorer. Eh? Man run for war, brother. Run him man run. You understand? Maybe him just run for save him life for next day. And drop EP and EP and up go tush. You see me? You don't know that, brother. Man run. Man drop song and just cut, bro. You see me? So in dead in a show. Cause you say Tamale win the war. Then you gotta say something they can't clash. Bro, no sick in the head, bro. I tell you that.
When him run the place, with which song them? Must have hot song around just like current them. What are you talking about? I don't know them there, what bar them must have them. What you talking about?
Teach him, man. Teach him. Cause hype them run with you know. Abaga say them run with you. See me?
Nah, man, walkie. Must have people food something out there, man. You can't do that.
No. I think. Why don't you?
No, you can't forget about the GM.
I don't know. I'm Masicka. But I don't know. Answer Masicka neither.
You know, sir, keep it, kill Masicka. Keep up.
You know, say
with the rub, Masicka.
I see.
Yeah, man, keep it to rub him up, man. Masicka baby, brother. Devil, brother. Keep it, the man in a normal dog. Masicka not ready for them thing, the fam. You see me?
That's it. Some no one hear this. I them and I mention
Masicka bad, Masicka bad.
Masicka artist. But listen, up to now, Masicka. Where I find it's but it's them. We can't answer people. We can't tell us how that Masicka.
So you think Valley can clash Masicka?
No. I'm can clash Masicka right now. Don't cut no people out of them. Do not count the look at you out.
Commercial, bro.
Don't count the look at you there. Hurricane Melissa.
Yep.
Yo, watch him not rate. Achieve my man in a good, you know. That's why him at. Yo, Jado, I tell you.
Oh, God, no.
He mash up the whole dancehall segment.
Yeah, I'm going to give you some sitting to you, but yes, I know. The triple man. Them two want to say what do? When I want you, I don't give you that.
Turn up from Ish. Hurricane,
yeah, okay. Melissa, people them out. Melissa, him carrying back. Yeah, you know, it's a big man thing. They must say give her the receipt, but yeah, big up from me. I'm like, when him come, and him come though, because the whole dancehall who give. You see, for the people who give, and I'm going to shoot video, and I try to look hype.
Rami Shada.
Me not rate them.
Rami Shada.
No.
Who you that?
Yeah, man. Well, that's how the thing going on. Once them a give, you see me? Whatever them want to do with video and all of them little things. We just want to say, them help out the people, them if they want video it and put it on the video or whatever, yeah. You see me? So, people if they just do what them can do. If I them can get the opportunity to do this, then fine. You see me? But at the end of the day, the people them get what them, need.
Well, they know themselves.
We got to there.
You know, say big man, we really have a carton give back for the year.
Carton.
A song for the year too.
We sang carton for the year.
Today is a new day. Give thanks to life. Still on the top streaming song the same way.
This is the biggest song for the year.
The biggest song for the year.
Cartel, get out of the year for you.
Yeah, Cartel get
Masicka we are talking about that.
No, Masicka will get artists for the year for me. Because Masicka drop some song well. Masicka is a lyrical artist, bad artist. And I'm thinking about artists for the year, I'm could get artists for the year.
What talk to him right now? Podcast are here because we see it frees them out there. We see them say fix of it right now.
The fix of it, they got Jeffrey Madden Mafido. And you don't know, we did I think I got to make a podcast, but no, I'm my podcast.
Like
no,
I'm
still a job same way.
From you decide to stop war with Jeffrey. It's really nice if I don't stop war with Tone podcast now again.
No, who said what podcast?
The chemistry between Tone.
Yeah, but
No, another two. Them still do them thing, just like walkie. Walkie thing just a bill. You see me? And yeah, walkie thing just a bill with film channel and all of them good thing there. So Jeffrey had them thing. But I think me see them start do them I think a toxic talk, I see Walkie and talk recently. So I guess them start link up back, I do them thing and the little silly thing like band made them fall out. I say, Jaja. Cause them that go on with that thing. You see me, the vibes and everything, but I don't know, yeah, man. Just feelings and man just cut and all of them thing. But I say it go, sometimes it motivate for you move on and do your own thing. You see me, and him start having more own little thing and, yeah. You see me?
Big up. We'll test a year, you're going to see me Jeffrey shoot some stuff.
Actually, just want him change her there. But
you're still not here, I said to you, say. Jeffrey, what I do film thing. I do my own thing. I take my time, I build my thing.
Top 4 artists I'm run the place.
Like y'all think?
Yeah, what year?
Amani, Malidan, Valiant, Highwater. I want to have some dancing stuff for the girl, them. Don't lie. Turn the other way. No, come on, man. Good you credit, man.
You tell them 450, I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah, don't let
You know, every time I talk to you,
no, man, me have 450 good. You know, say, me 450 not a problem.
but go.
I just, one of 450 you them in the gang. Me I go for camera and tell this. Like, when you see me, and Javi them, remember I know them long time, like one of the first feelings, the first one. Well, I'm not going to forgive them. So, them not have to chat to me.
Three
See,
producers, 25.
Mark, Russian, country hype.
Country?
Yeah.
What do you do? Mac or Russian do for last year?
No, man, I'm Mac real same here, man. Big up, Mac. Mac around the place, bro.
Yeah, man, Mac a did him thing, man, for real, cause remember say at that TJ getting big song from Mac, skipper them and see really man mash up the place. Yeah, Russian a did him thing, you see me. What kind of the thing with Russian now? I guess him kind of limit him thing, like you know him now got add on certain artists on the rhythm, but DJ Mac now anybody can go up and feel with him, so the limitation thing kind of cut. Something there. That's why you see DJ Mac really go on soccer. Anybody can do what them have to do, you see me? Yeah, and then who for sign split sheet and all of them little thing there. You see me? So yeah, the rhythm go on good, Mac go on good, Mac did him thing. You see it? Yeah, man.
What is for Caesar, give it to Caesar. You don't need a visa.
DJ man. One time smack like a post every time find a rhythm Russian try for a rhythm too.
Everything have a competition in it.
Everything but job in going right now between two of them.
Mac one, man. Come on, man. You see, artists will tell me, say, they will never vice Mac no.
That's all this.
No, we're not going to do that. They know.
And this are the thing, I'm glad him point out that, you know, always I say. See how him so just say a while ago say, yo, him say artists, we say them nah, vice Mac. A vice what Mac now, me tell him say this rhythm when Mac have are the hype. You see it? A man say him wouldn't vice Mac, you know, but because the rhythm hot, him a vice Mac now. So enough of them artists that you see a forward out, it's just a hype them a run with and them want to on the rhythm. You understand? Which nothing wrong with that. You see, at the end of the day, it's still a, you know, put a shine on the culture, make everybody, all if you don't know one artist and the artist go on it, once you hear the rhythm and them dip on the rhythm, you can know them an artist and, you know, yeah. But you don't know the big talk about artists, them people are mostly focused on. Who get a bad flow and thing off it, you see me? Yeah, so I just one of them thing there. You see it? But as me say, everybody have to do what them do. Forget them highlight, you see me?
Yo, I'm in a vice them, man. I'm still a vice team.
Bring you the dance because you are left with me.
Everywhere we go, Mac rhythm. Mac can play someone. November the rhythm. November, December the whole like think about skip the rhythm. And me rap back as a producer. Cause nobody can tell me a producer until about the artist.
Win boss.
Boss skipper.
Mac boss skipper.
Mac boss skipper. I mean I hold by my mouth and tell them Mac boss skipper. Mac give the big song, bro. And people that come and can tell people, and people who watch it can tell us I'm not that fool in it.
Your prediction, she break the dance of the year.
Yeah, you may say, cause I don't know if the younger talent might do it. So you have Journey, you have Cardos, yes, you have Swaz. I think Swaz really get highlight now. Cause you know what?
Me no know how artists them are first. Me I see them artists yeah. Jaja. But me rate the young youths man, you know. For the night game man. You know them just have to do what them have to do and do the thing right. You see it.
Image everything there. You see Journey, an artist like she sings some reggae music and them thing. Like reggae need a run, you know. Reggae need a run 2026. No, reggae need a run. You see me I say? And Carlos, a song with whole heap of bad arts and them things. So I just want them don't feel me while I say this, but when I put in the work, I'm gonna feel good. You understand? Because I can't take iron balloon business.
See that out?
Yo, truth is real. That's like I subscribe.
Check out Legend, you know?
Yeah.
One walk, madam him, bro.
Yo, I'm laughing at that.
Yeah man people. Is it? Well, I'm gonna make them talk and things, me. Yeah, at the end of the day, a dancehall, you know. Competition, everything. You see it. Every artist have to do what them can do and you know, cause you know when DJ Mac do the rhythm, it's a good thing. You give other artists opportunity where never got the opportunity or the highlight, you see me? So if the rhythm open and you know somebody can, you know, them lyrical or have a voice and certain things, yeah man, you can just give them a, you know, give them a highlight. I'm seeing the rhythm because the rhythm hot, so anybody will drop on the rhythm, people are gonna see what I go on. You see it? But you know the thing set already. Sometimes when you see too much somewhere, it kind of overshadows some of the thing in the bunch, or you know, only the bigger apple them you go see. You see, but the small apple them you not go to see them like that. You see, but it's a good look for dancehall right now. Dancehall focus on music, yeah, that's how I rate, because dancehall, yeah, high percentage, yeah, is about the music, so it alone can, you know, push the genre further. Music, you see me? No bag of hype and this and that can't really do none. You see it? Yeah, 'cause people out there I look forward for music same way who I listen. You see me? So if I keep on putting in the work and you know, do what we have to do. You see it? Yeah man. But people, when I don't know me the facts, you know, yeah man, know things said man. That is it.